In the Bronx. Storm Team 4's Larosa here with a multicolored map showing there's a lot going on, Maria.
Yeah, unfortunately, we're looking ahead to the severe weather potential and everything that comes along with it, and that's the gusty wind, the heavy rainfall too. This is really for the second half of the day today, but you can see area wide. That's why our spring storm system moving off to the east. Ahead of it, we've got some showers. Some of that was heavy at times overnight. Right now, just a lot of drizzle and fog and some of those light showers. Mild too and breezy. 51 at Central Park. We're at 45 in Poughkeepsie, 50 Islip. We do expect winds to be a concern, so by later on this afternoon, in through this evening, wind advisories are posted almost everywhere, but really the gusty winds will be everywhere. But from the city, Long Island, Central and South Jersey, Fairfield County included in that advisory. So expect the showers and maybe a rumble of thunder through about lunchtime, but really after lunch, PM commute through late evening, showers and thunderstorms. Some will be on the strong side. All right, 6:31 right now. Adele, it's been slow going for so many.
Underway in a little bit.
Yes, it's tough through the neighborhoods right now because we have a couple things. We have some of the showers. We have a lot of reduced visibility. Relatively mild, though, into the 50s. We're going to get into the 60s today. But recess will probably be inside lunch and after-school activities. Just be aware at that point, we're looking at some showers and thunderstorms, some heavy. It's colder and drier the rest of the week. How chilly it gets as early as tomorrow morning at the bus stop in the 10-day.
Maria, thank you so much. No Oscar for the weather this morning, Maria.
Yeah, no awards. Maybe the Razzies, right?
Right, exactly.
But shout out to Newark, which is all quiet on the radar right now, and all of Jersey. I'm just going to throw in the whole state. Proud of you. We've got JFK and LaGuardia also quiet on the radar. Unfortunately, this is a far-reaching storm system that we're tracking for today. It's Chicago, Atlanta impacted right now. But New York, D.C. up to Boston, all going to feel the impacts weather-wise and make it a very tough travel day. Especially the second half of the day. Out there now, as I mentioned, relatively quiet. It's messy. We've had that steady rain at times overnight, so plenty of wet roadways, some fog too. 51 at Central Park right now, 50 in Islip, 50 in Sussex. So the hour-by-hour forecast showing a few waves, spotty showers for the first half of the day. So that takes us to about lunchtime. Once we get towards the early afternoon, now we see the better chance for more widespread showers and thunderstorms. And you see with the colors here, the yellow, the oranges, even the reds, potentially some really heavy rainfall that's going to slow you down on the roads. That's from Long Island, Connecticut, Hudson Valley, the city, Jersey, all those areas. But what we're really waiting for is this front, and that starts to push through from west to east after 10 o'clock, making its way across the city about midnight or so, and continuing to clear the area heading into the early overnight. That's where we get the gustier winds as well from the south at first and then the northwest, and that's going to bring in the colder air. So if you're out looking out the window really late tonight or really early tomorrow morning, you may see some of that snow. We're not expecting accumulation, but it's cold, that air that's coming in. So a couple of takeaways: windy all day, but really picking up on that severe potential with the winds later on this afternoon and evening. So the PM commute absolutely going to be impacted here. Because of the heavy rain, we'll watch the isolated flash flooding potential and the coasts as well. Those winds pick up, and as I mentioned, the worst of it will be later this evening. 51 right now at Newark, a tough travel day to say the least. Now, once this clears, St. Patrick's Day, cold and blustery. It'll feel like the 20s for the start of the parade tomorrow. Wednesday, chilly as well. With the best we can do for the week, we'll be in the low 50s Friday and Saturday. All right, 6:47 right now. Adele, what are you keeping an eye on?